Welcome back to our channel, where we embark on a journey of healing and self-discovery. Today, we're immersing ourselves in the rejuvenating power of nature through healing affirmations. Affirmation 1. Oneness with nature. I am one with nature, connected to the heartbeat of the earth and the rhythm of life. Affirmation 2. Nature's healing beauty. Nature's beauty heals me, infusing my soul with its vibrant colors and soothing landscapes. Affirmation 3. Tranquility in natural spaces. I find serenity in natural spaces, where the world's chaos gives way to inner calm. Affirmation 4. Nurtured by Earth's energy. The Earth's energy nurtures me, grounding my spirit and replenishing my vitality. Affirmation 5. Receptive to nature's wisdom. I am open to nature's wisdom, listening to its gentle whispers of guidance. Affirmation 6. Nature's cycles and personal growth. Nature's cycles mirror my growth. Just as nature evolves, so do I on my path of healing. Affirmation 7. Part of the universe. I am a part of the universe, embracing the vastness that resides within me. Affirmation 8. Nature's restorative power. The outdoors restore my vitality, bathing me in sunlight and filling my lungs with fresh air. Affirmation 9. Releasing worries to the wind. I release worries to the wind, letting nature's breeze carry them away from me. Affirmation 10. Gratitude for Earth's gifts. I am grateful for the Earth's gifts, finding joy in its abundant offerings. Affirmation 11. Forest sanctuary. The forest is my sanctuary, a place where I find solace and peace. Affirmation 12. Attuned to nature's rhythms. I am attuned to nature's rhythms, feeling its heartbeat resonate within me. Affirmation 13. Healing by the water's edge. I find healing by the water's edge, where the gentle flow mirrors my own inner healing. Affirmation 14. Soothing sounds of nature. Nature's sounds soothe my soul, as the melodies of birds and rustling leaves bring harmony. Affirmation 15. Present in nature's embrace. I am present in nature's embrace, fully immersed in the serenity of the moment. Affirmation 16. Letting nature heal. I let go and let nature heal, allowing its embrace to nurture my body, mind, and spirit. Affirmation 17. Stewardship of the earth. I am a steward of the earth, honoring and protecting the planet that sustains us all. Affirmation 18. Inspiration from nature's colors. Nature's colors inspire my creativity, igniting my imagination with their beauty. Affirmation 19. Joy in simple things. I find joy in the simplest things, appreciating the beauty of a flower's bloom or a butterfly's dance. Affirmation 20. Nature's energy within me. Nature's energy flows through me, reminding me that I am a conduit of its healing power. As we conclude our journey through these healing affirmations, remember that nature's embrace is always waiting for you. If these affirmations resonated with you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow nature enthusiasts. Until next time, may you find solace, healing, and deep reconnection with the world around you.